GoodData integrates with applications, websites, and portals in many ways. First, our dashboards, visualizations, and individual UX components are all embeddable via iframe, web components, React, APIs, SDKs, and we provide the code to do so. In this example, you can see a complete dashboard, individual visualizations, our alerts notification component, and the AI assistant embedded into a simple web page. In GoodData, even the drag-and-drop visualization builder is embeddable. Here you can see it integrated within a custom app and white-labeled to customer colors and themes. Lastly, GoodData can provide the metrics, caching, and query engine for a 100% custom front end via our APIs and SDKs.